Welcome, today in front of me Nubia Red Magic 7, and I'll show you the fingerprint scanner test on this device. So I just set up my fingerprint to this scanner, and now I'll make a couple of tries to unlock the device with my fingerprint, and then we will see how fast this feature is and does it works. So let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, okay, 5. So as we can see, the fingerprint scanner works here so fast. We just can unlock the device less than in 1 second after the touching of the scanner. And you can see that I'm just hold for a while the scanner. I'm not simply touch it, because if you will make it by this way, you just have no chance to unlock it. That's why I just hold for a while the scanner, and after that you can unlock the device successfully. I just suggest you to try this unlock method, but don't forget that the fingerprint is less secure than passcodes or PIN codes. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.